First, let's remove the starting sprite by clicking the X. Now, we're going to create our snow globe as a new sprite. Begin by clicking the plus icon on the left to add or create a sprite. Then, select the paintbrush icon on the right to open the paint editor and start designing your snow globe. For the dome, select the circle icon on the left then choose a color. I'll pick blue to resemble the sky. Drag from the left down to make a large circle. Then use the paint bucket on the right to fill it in. Next, let's center the circle. Click the arrow icon on the right, select your circle, and move it to the center. Now we'll add a stand for the snow globe. Select the square icon, choose your color, I'll use brown, and draw a rectangle across the bottom of the globe. Use the paint bucket on the right to fill in the stand. To turn this rectangle into a trapezoid, click the arrow icon again. Select the rectangle, which will show nodes, and pull each top corner inward to angle the lines. This creates the trapezoid shape for the stand. Center it by clicking the arrow icon, then move the shape to align it with the dome. Once your snow globe design is complete, click the check mark to add it to the stage. To resize it, go to the purple looks blocks and choose the Grow block. In the coding area, you can tap the block repeatedly to make it larger or use the keypad to set a larger growth parameter. I'll use 5 for each tap to quickly reach the size I want. Once it's the right size, I'm done with the Grow block, so I'll drag it off the coding area to remove it.